could just type and say like or price labels or whatever it is we've got. But if we create a table, we can do a little bit of format, a little bit of a structure. So I'm going to just whack a table in here. I don't know. I'm going to do that. Okay. But what I'm also going to do, if I want to see the table, so if I go on the design bit and take the borders off. Alright, so the no, I shouldn't have done that, so I can't see the bloody table there. I'll do that then. Alright, so I'm going to put some like text up here like template choice. And then you can like fancy that up if you want. You can put word art in it. If that floats your boat. But I'm just going to have my charity letter, and I'm going to have just over this side, what was it, price labels. Okay, so you can mess about with that. That's really annoying having that tab now, isn't it? Where you get Dave Bloke's tab comes up in all your Word documents. Does it do it for you lot? Yeah. We can delete it when we finish this unit properly. Because he's really getting on my week. He's like, oh, get lost, don't with Dave Bloke. I've got a different one on every single computer I use. Right, so that's the basics. So what we want to do, we want this to be a web page. So I'm going to do File Save As, and instead of Word document, look for web page, which should say HTML. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. I'm going to make sure I save it in the same folder as the templates. Template choice, so it's nicked the name from the thing. Right, now it goes into web page view, so it's like, well, you're doing a web page. And all we need to do is highlight the word that we want to be the hyperlink, and then we go on to insert and then hyperlink. It's not hard, and then pick, so that was going to be my letter, and do the same with the price labels. I've lost it, hyperlink, spreadsheet, and then save it. Obviously there needs to be a little bit more, bit of instruction on the screen, yeah, a bit of colour. Right, now I'm going to get rid of these borders. So on my design, no borders. So you've got a nice little structure there without having to do any work. Save it again, then I'm going to come out of that, and I'm going to, I should see there, I've got template choice HTML. So I'm going to open that up. Make sure I open it in a web browser. So I'm going to say open with, and I'm going to use Chrome as my test. And there you go. So I've got the hand changes to show it's hyperlinked. So I'm going to click on price labels. The weird thing about Chrome is it does that, doesn't it? It does a download. I'll try it in Internet Explorer in a sec. And there you go, and it links through to it. Let's try and open it in Internet Explorer. Open with Internet Explorer. So I'll click on the charity like this time. So open. Now, when we do screenshots of this to show it working, don't show this bit. This is just our network. Normally Word documents just open, don't they? There you go, it opens. That's what all we need to build. So make that menu as nice as you can. Use a bit of colour. You can use a bit of NAFO word art. I'm sure Billy will help you with the graphics side of it, because he's like Mr. Supreme. Not B Supreme from Idiocracy. But you never seen that film? Oh, I'm still recording, hang on. I'll stop recording.